This data, commonly referred to as big data, holds immense potential to drive innovations, optimize operations, and enhance decision-making process. However, along the way with this button comes the critical responsibility of safeguarding sensitive information and protecting business assets from virus security. So welcome to our presentation today. We will talk about big data and business intelligence. For manage accesses in diverse big data and business intelligence setup involving multiple vendors. Big data refer to extremely large and complex data sets that cannot be effectively processed using traditional data processing applications. These data sets typically contain massive volumes of both structured and unstructured data that are generated at a high velocity and come from a variety of sources including sensors, social media platforms, transactional systems, and more. Business intelligence BI refers to the process of collecting, analyzing, and presenting data to support decision making. Within organizations, BI encompasses a range of tools, technologies, and methodologies aimed at transforming raw data into meaningful insights that can inform strategic, tactical, and operational decisions. Ego data presents both opportunities and challenges in terms of security. Here are some key considerations regarding big data and security. We have data privacy, data governance, cybersecurity threats, access controls, and data loss prevention DLP. What is meant by data privacy? With the vast amount of data collected and stored in big data systems, ensuring data privacy is paramount. Next, data governance. Establishing clear data governance policies and procedures helps ensure that data is accurate, consistent, and secure throughout its life cycle. Cybersecurity threats. Big data systems are susceptible to cybersecurity threats, such as data breach, malware attack, and insider threats. Access controls. Implementing robust access control is essential to prevent unauthorized users from accessing sensitive data in big data environments. Data loss prevention DLP. Big data system should incorporate data loss prevention mechanism to monitor, detect, and prevent unauthorized data exfiltration or leakage. Primary drivers for big data and biosecurity. Ensuring security in big data and business intelligence bio environments demands a comprehensive and holistic approach due to the complexity and sensitivity of the data involved. Here are some primary drivers for adopting such an approach. We have data sensitivity. Big data and AI systems often handle sensitive information include personal identifiable information, PI2, financial data, intellectual property, and proprietary business information. Regulatory compliance. Regulatory requirements such as GDPR, CPA, HIPAA, and other mandatory guidelines for handling the protection of data. Failure to comply with these regulations can result in several penalties, legal repercussions, and damage to reputations. In our research for big data security, we focus on products that follow a holistic approach towards protecting big data and AI platforms, instead of disconnect point security solutions. Although many generic security tools like firewalls and anti-malware may play an important role in securing parts of big data frameworks, we do not cover them as a part of big data security to avoid the confusions of functionality distinct security products that are generally covered in other common core reports and the separate market segments. To provide more comprehensive overview, here's some additional aspect linked to security. We have encryptions, implementing encryption techniques such as SSL and TLS for data in transit and encryption at rest, mechanisms for data storage adds an extra layer of security to protect sensitive information from unauthorized access. Access governance in big data by environments. The variety of data authorizations create complexity. Access the cube level data parsers now further split. Next, we have access at the cube split, one-dimensional access for fair access combinations. Multi-dimensional access, several access combinations, granular rule splits, multiple access restrictions. Disjoint access patterns access multiple data sets provided complex rule combinations. What are some of the tools in use today? We have data security tools, data discovery classifications, data harvest and maintain metadata. Metadata, make data sensitization, encryption and context process. Understand information protections, network security, infrastructure encryption and data by design. Implement access control and dynamic authorizations. And this data flows and authorizations requirements for your big data BI environment. Use PAM control. Use application to application password PA management. Recommendation: enforce monitoring control, implement ASHA governance, implement IPA security and input validations. Consider a holistic approach. Use the matrix discussed to assess your big data security state.